Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about these really cool Twinkle fairy lights that you can buy. They come in a variety of 4 different colours, blue, warm white, white and purple pink. If you buy more than one, as it's a curtain of fairy lights, you can connect them together, and this can be used for outdoor use to decorate your home or any kind of party you're having in your garden. They're also suitable for indoor use too. They're great for Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's Day or any other festive holiday that you guys are celebrating.